Late this afternoon, the Maryland Attorney General and Secretary of State announced a cease and desist order against cancer charity We Can Survive and its founder, Maya Wright. The order follows an investigation that revealed multiple violations, including failure to register with the Secretary of State before soliciting donations and falsely claiming to be a 501c3 organization using its website and various social media outlets. The state says it's not registered properly. Were you aware of this at all before this even happened?
Not at all. Being a small nonprofit, a lot of times paperwork is done for free.
When Wright started the charity in 2015, she says she put another member in charge of the paperwork and didn't know the process to become a legitimate nonprofit was never complete.
For the most part, I am the human resource president, social worker, hospice sitter.
So you wear many hats?
Yes.
Would you agree for some that as president, some would say, well, Maya, it's your responsibility to know the status of your organization. Would you say that that is your responsibility?
I definitely believe that it is my responsibility to know everything that is going on with the organization. However, I would like for those supporters and the persons that are out there that are watching this to know that I believed I did know. I believed I was on top of the paperwork.
In a statement, Maryland Attorney General Brian Frosh says, quote, consumers who are generous enough to give should not have to worry whether their hard-earned money is being sent to sham charities.
Absolutely not.
Wright's organization is well known around the community. She's held a number of events across the area and has even appeared on both Great Day Washington and WSA 9's morning show.
This is really hard. To know our history, we've helped 121 persons affected by cancer to this date.
Wright's charity is also under fire for, quote, falsely claiming an affiliation with the American Society of Clinical Oncologists and health volunteers overseas. She says a checklist posted on a donation box contained their logos. It was a big misunderstanding that was corrected.
It was something I didn't even know about, and we just simply removed it.
We also asked Wright about her history. For years, she told the story about her experience with ovarian cancer. A three-time ovarian cancer survivor.
I am a three-time ovarian cancer survivor. And I think that that question is extremely offensive. And the reason why I think that question is extremely offensive is because that's something that I personally went through 3 times. Like, why would someone lie about having cancer?